guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Cedar Park, Texas and why I love Cedar Park, Texas and things that I love in Cedar Park, Texas. For those that are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. This is Rima, Bhavsar, your Austin local realtor. If you're new, make sure you press that subscribe button. But let's go ahead and get started and see what I love about Cedar Park, Texas. Only 60 miles outside of Austin, Cedar Park offers a perfect blend of small town charm and modern amenities. Guys, did you know Cedar Park has over 40 parks and playgrounds? Oh my gosh, that's awesome for the families that have little ones. Each park has unique characteristics, so the kids will have fun exploring each one of them one by one. We are here in Cedar Park at the HEB Center. For those that don't know what this HEB Center has to offer, it's got a ton of different events you can come out here and enjoy. Make sure you look at their calendar for events. I've seen lots of celebrities, lots of like Disney events. I also saw lots of cultural events happening here. So if you're in the north side, living here in Cedar Park or anywhere in the North Austin, this is a great place to check out for entertainment. You can also explore farmers market right here in Cedar Park. Held every Saturday morning in the park, a lot of Lakeline locals vendors showcase fresh picked produce, homemade bread and desserts, locally produced cheese and homemade food and craft items. It's a great way to eat healthy and support local farmers right here in Cedar Park. When you're here in Cedar Park, you can also check out the sculpture garden. Located at Cedar Park Recreation Center, the sculpture garden changes each year with new exhibit and Texas artists. The unique sculptures and several benches along the way offer a place to rest, ponder the day, or just read a good book. This is one of my favorite places, especially with my kids. When they were a little bit little, we would come out here, take the Austin Steam Train and go out for a ride. They've got all different types of activities on here, but make sure you check their calendar because the tickets do get sold out pretty fast. You would think when you're getting on a train that it's like a hustle bustle kind of thing, you're running around. It's not like that at all. This is a very quiet, nice environment. Easy to park, easy to get your tickets, get in a line and get on a train. Simple as that. So very relaxing train ride right here in Cedar Park. Guys, the heat is massive when it comes to summer. So when you're here, beat the heat at the pool, there are many fun places to cool off in Cedar Park. Cedar Park offers 3 city pools at Melbourne Park, Veterans Memorial Park, and Buttercup Creek Park. Very popular are the Brushy Creek Splash Pad and Quarry Splash Pad, and the Twin Lake YMCA pool. Many neighborhoods in Cedar Park also offer community pools for the residents. Okay guys, this is one of my favorite spots right here is the Ranch at Brushy Creek Trail. This trail itself has a 7-mile walking or biking or whatever you all want to do, which also may extend to 10 miles. And this park is also known for different playgrounds over here. They've got 3 to 4 different playgrounds in different sections of the trail. So check that out. Also, they've got a sand park here, a dinosaur park here, also a splash pad, which the kids love that splash pad over here. Another thing that this is popular and known for is for the blue bonnet season. For those that don't know about blue bonnet, you know, they have blue bonnets in March and April where all of these flowers turn are blue bonnets, and it's very well known for the photographers to come out here and take some nice family pictures. They also do holy events here. They also do kite festivals over here. And it's also growing on restaurants, your Indian restaurants, your Indian grocery stores. There's also in construction where there is a Desi market. Yes, they named it Desi Market for us Desis to go do shopping. And there's also a Videsi Plaza that's coming up that's going to have a strip mall of restaurants and all the other stuff for not just the Desis, but everybody else to come and enjoy a little bit cultural of the Asian foods. Thinking about making Cedar Park your home, you're in luck. Cedar Park boasts a diverse range of housing options, from spacious single-family homes to trendy apartments and condos. With top-rated schools, convenient amenities, and easy access to major highways, Cedar Park is a perfect place to put the roots and start your next chapter. So I hope you guys learned a little bit about Cedar Park, and if you're interested in moving out to Cedar Park, reach out to me, let me know. Here's my information. But if you want to watch other videos on Cedar Park, I've got them here on my YouTube channel. Until next time, thank you for watching.